was the end of the vlog, guys. See you guys tomorrow.
Sorry for all the pieces and parts of the vlog.
Yeah.
But my phone sucks. And I don't know how to edit. Still.
Loud car.
That was a loud car.
Please don't do it so soon.
But we're on our way home. We had a good day.
Yep. And tomorrow we might have a good day too.
Chili! Got a big bucket of chili.
Chili.
Well, Uncle Eric, he got best booth again. He didn't get any winning, but he's already qualified for the World Championship, so, that's good.
Thanks to my suggestion. Me.
Her, you.
I suggested.
Yeah.
My
That voice came over there. She's driving. There she is. Yep. The state championships, St. Louis, Missouri?
Yeah.
Yeah, Missouri. We're going to try to make that road trip without Boy, though. Without him. Man, I don't want to go to Missouri. Hey, it took me 37 years to try to go to Missouri. Anyway.
That was the end of the vlog.
That is the end of the vlog. And I apologize for all the parts. Mikey.
Oh my God.
Mikey. I apologize for all the parts that we're going to have. It's going to be like
What
4 or
an
5
a-hole.
parts. But it's fun. And we went out there in the crazy weather. Because New Jersey is like turning into Seattle. It's always rainy. A little chilly.
Oh, it reminds me, my
chili.
cappuccino.
A little chili. I got chili. That's his. I can't eat
Seattle reminds
chili.
me of coffee, and I have cappuccino.
She has Seattle reminds you of
Coffee? Yeah, people there have to drink a lot of coffee to stay awake.
Boy.
Gloomy weather.
That was the end of that video. Peace out. See you guys in the next one, which might be tomorrow.
It's probably going to be tomorrow. We're going on a nice hike tomorrow.
Mommy wants to go too.
Mommy wants to go on a hike too.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
And I need I need a new fresh battery too. Not a fresh battery.
Peace.
I need a new SIM card.
Peace
I
out.
really need.
Yeah, fun. Peace out.
Bye.
We're on.